Right now, you are sitting somewhere with easy access to food. You can walk to your kitchen. You can open a fridge. You can press 3 buttons on your phone, and a human being will drive a hot pizza directly to your front door. Yet late at night, when you are lying in bed, a strange voice inside your head starts whispering. It does not ask for broccoli. It does not ask for grilled chicken. It asks for chocolate. It asks for ice cream. It asks for a giant, glazed donut covered in sprinkles. Why does your brain do this to you? Why is it so hard to say no to sweet snacks? Are you just lazy, or is something much deeper controlling your decisions? To answer that, we have to travel back in time. We need to leave your warm apartment and travel back 200,000 years to the ancient African savanna. Meet your ancient ancestor. Let us call him Oog. Oog is a simple stick-figure caveman. He does not have a supermarket. He does not have a refrigerator. He does not even have a backpack. Every single morning, Oog wakes up on the hard, cold ground with an empty stomach. If Oog wants to eat, he has to find food himself. And finding food in the prehistoric wilderness is a terrifying full-time job. Look around Oog's world. Everything is trying to kill him or starve him. Sharp-toothed cats are hiding in the high grass. Poisonous snakes are resting under rocks. And most plants on the ground are bitter, tough, or completely deadly. In Oog's world, energy is life. If Oog runs out of energy, his body slows down. His brain gets foggy. He cannot hunt, he cannot run, and he dies. Now imagine Oog is walking through the dry bushes. His stomach is screaming. Suddenly, he sees a wild fruit tree hiding behind a hill. The branches are heavy with bright red, ripe figs. Oog reaches out and pulls one off the branch. He takes a bite. It is soft, juicy, and insanely sweet. In that exact split second, something incredible happens inside Oog's brain. A tiny chemical explosion takes place. His brain releases a massive flood of dopamine, your brain's reward candy. Dopamine is not just a chemical that makes you feel happy. Dopamine is your brain's internal recorder. It grabs Oog by the shoulders and screams, "Remember this. This is safe. This is high energy. Eat all of it right now." Why did Oog's brain react so violently to a simple piece of fruit? Because in nature, sweet tastes mean two crucial things. First, sweet means non-poisonous. Bitter plants in the wild are often loaded with toxins, but sweet fruits are almost always safe to swallow. Second, sweet means fast, easy energy. Sugar is pure, instant fuel for human cells. Oog does not know what a calorie is. He does not know what carbohydrates are, but his ancient brain knows one rule. When you find sweet energy, you eat as much as you can before someone else takes it. Oog does not leave half the figs on the tree for tomorrow. There is no tomorrow in the wilderness. If he leaves them, birds will eat them, baboons will steal them, or they will rot in the sun. So Oog sits under the tree and stuffed his mouth until his belly is completely full. That massive sugar surge gives Oog a sudden burst of stamina. His body stores the extra energy as fat, and that stored fat is the ultimate life insurance policy. It will keep Oog alive through long, cold nights and weeks of unsuccessful hunting. For hundreds of thousands of years, this system worked perfectly. The human brain evolved a powerful survival mechanism: seek sugar, celebrate sugar, and store sugar. Now jump forward to the year 1972 in a laboratory at the University of Oxford. A team of evolutionary biologists and neuroscientists are studying human eating behavior. They discover that our brain's reward center has barely changed since the Stone Age. Dr. John Yudkin, a famous British nutritionist, published groundbreaking research showing how modern industrial sugar tricks the human nervous system. His research proved that concentrated sugar triggers the exact same neural pathways in the brain as addictive substances. When you see a box of chocolate donuts today, your eyes send a visual signal straight to your amygdala, your brain's ancient alarm system. Your brain does not see a box of processed baked goods from a grocery store. Your brain sees a rare, life-saving fruit tree on the dry African savanna. Your ancient survival system immediately kicks in. It floods your system with dopamine. It lowers your willpower. It tells you to eat every single donut right now before a saber-toothed tiger comes out of the bushes and steals them. The problem is there is no saber-toothed tiger. There is no fruit shortage. There is only a convenience store on every corner open 24 hours a day. You are living in a modern world with a brain that is still hardwired for prehistoric survival. Your ancient biological coding hasn't caught up to modern technology. So the next time you find yourself standing in front of the open fridge at midnight staring at a tub of ice cream, do not beat yourself up. You are not weak. You are just a caveman operating a modern body in a world made of pure sugar. and your ancient brain is just trying to make sure you survive until tomorrow.